Hello everyone. Today we are going to study what are strings in Python. So string in Python is a sequence of character enclosed in a single quote, double quote or triple quote. Basically anything which is enclosed in quotes is a string. It can be letters, numbers, symbols, spaces and emojis also. So basically the data type and the symbol of that string data type is str. So we'll check the some examples for that. We'll take that same example of name. Name is a variable and it is assigned string data type with name Amit. Okay, so I'll just run this in Python. So yeah, okay, we'll see an example with variable name. I'm assigning string data type, and in that string I'm giving my name. Okay, I will also try to print this name so that it gives me an output. So okay, it gave me an output. So just to check the data type of the variable, we'll use the function type. So yes, the data type is string. So a feature of a string is that it is a sequence of character. I'll show you a photo. In this it is written simple tech talks, and each character is having a index value. So the index value in Python starts with 0. The first character is given the index value as 0, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then onwards. Also in Python there is a concept of negative indexes, and it starts with -1. It is usually given to the last character of our string. So it starts with -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So if we want to access the M character from Amit, we can just give name with a square bracket, and we'll give the index value as the A is 0, M is 1. We need to give 1 value. So yeah, we are able to access M. This concept is called indexing. So if we want to access any other character, or try if we can try from negative index, if we want to access M using negative index, we can still do that. I will type name square bracket, and in the square bracket the indexes will be -1, -2, -3. So yeah, I am able to access M using negative indexing also. Basically indexes gives the access of the individual character that we want. This was all about indexing. And there is also another concept called slicing. Slicing in strings, we'll try to learn that. So if we, I'll just give again the same variable, giving my name Amit. Okay, so if we want to access AMI and we don't want to access T, so we can do that, and this is under slicing. We are just slicing it. Basically we can give the same name square bracket, and it should start with 0 character index and till go to 0 1 2 3, sorry, 0 1 2. We want to access 0 1 2, but in Python we have to give an next character also if we want to go till I. So basically if we want to access simple, it is till 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so but still if we want to access this simple, we have to give the indexes till T. because Python slicing indexes takes a value -1. So from 0 to 6, and this automatically function has the property of -1. So we'll have to give 0, 1, 2, 3 till 3. So yeah, we are able to access AMI. We'll again check one more example. We'll create a variable tech equal to simple tech. Sorry, spelling mistake. I'll just Okay, we'll take one more example, and I'll give name equal to simple. If we want to access simple, we have to give 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 characters. So basically it is -1. Python accepts slicing as a -1. We'll give name starting with 0 and ending with 6. So we can simple. There is also a concept of skipping the characters in slicing. We can do that same way, like give name starting with 0, ending till 6, and let's say I want every second character, not the. So we'll see one more example, starting with name same and simple teach. I want to access simple, so I will give the variable name square bracket starting index till target -1. The target is 5, so sorry, target plus 1 we have to give. So I have to give 6. So I am able to access simple. So if we want to jump a character, like if I want to skip I, P, E, I can do that. I can do that by giving jump size is equal to 2. So here in this way, I am able to skip I, P, E. So this is a part of string slicing. So thank you.